Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure prerequisites are already in place. Windows 10 or 11 updated, your phone has current OS updates, and you are signed into the same Microsoft account on both devices. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so discovery works. Then open the phone link, or your phone, app on Windows, and install or open the link to Windows Companion on your phone. Follow the app prompts to start pairing. Accept permissions on the phone so the connection can be established securely. Once done, pair the devices. Use the QR code or PIN shown in the Windows app and scan or enter it on your phone. Make sure you grant required permissions, contacts, messages, photos, and microphone, because the app needs them to mirror notifications and place calls. On Windows, confirm notification access and background app permissions so syncing continues when apps are closed. If you plan to make calls, enable call audio and set default microphone and speaker settings. The app explains these as you proceed. To finish, test each core feature. Send a text from Windows, transfer a photo, and place a call to verify functionality. If something fails, first reboot both devices and reopen the phone link apps. Make sure permissions haven't been revoked. If problems continue, reauthorize the app permissions on the phone, check that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi remain enabled, and confirm you're signed into the same Microsoft account. One key tip: update or reinstall the companion app before deeper troubleshooting to clear stale settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.